Hey everybody, I thought I'd do another quick video for you. I wasn't planning on doing a video for this, but I figured I would. I don't really see a lot of videos on the install or even the product of this at all. So I'm going to put you on the back of the car and unbox this really exciting thing that I got. I'm genuinely so excited for it. So I'll put you down and I'll show you what I got. All right, so this is looking into the trunk of the Mark III, and this is the exciting product I got. First, I'll show you the wrapping that it came in, because it's really cool. It is just upside down, but it is really cool. It's Japanese newspaper. Nothing really special, but you know, it's always cool seeing stuff come from another country. Bunch of cool ads and that kind of stuff. The other sheet is actually, I did a quick Google Translate, and this is a job hunting fair from Japan. It says, let's go work at something. I can't remember what it is, but again, pretty cool. It's funny, they've got characters and stuff on there. But anyways, cool wrapping. And this is the company that it came from. Awesome company called GetJPN. You can find them on Instagram. I believe they have a Facebook, but look at their Instagram, get on their website. They've got a bunch of really cool imported product. So yeah, go check them out. And then this is the product. Might not look like much, but it is very, very, very exciting. So it is I guess it's just a backup alarm. So it'll play a melody. This obviously, the black wires are ground. The two positive wires will play two different tones. One of them plays the melody, which is like a song, and the other one plays a voice. And now that I've got it unboxed and you guys can see it, I will show you the two notes that it plays. So there's the little speaker. And I'll show you the two noises that it makes real quick. So it goes on, it's a little melody for like a backup tone, but this is what I will be wiring in. So it's just a little voice. She says, be careful, the vehicle is backing up. So we'll go ahead and get this wired up and I'll show you the end result. Everything is installed up top. And I'll show you real quick just so you understand. I went just to the passenger side harness, just jumped into the reverse signal wire and a ground. Put that back on real quick. And then the actual box is wired up right there. And then it just goes through a grommet in the floor that I'll clean up a little bit, cut a little bit, and it'll be good. And I'll show you the noise that it makes. All right, and that is it for the install of the JDM backup alarm from GetJPN. I hope you liked it. I'm absolutely in love with it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that kind of stuff, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.